Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description section. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can embed a YouTube video directly into PowerPoint. So rather than downloading the YouTube video to your computer, then uploading it into PowerPoint, which might take a bit of space, you can actually embed directly using the link of the YouTube video. So if there's something you're interested in learning, then keep watching. So I've opened up PowerPoint, and what you need to do is to go to Insert, go to Video, go to Online Video, and you see a pop-up asking for the URL. So you can either type the URL or paste the URL of the video that you want to embed. I'll just grab the URL of one of my videos from YouTube and paste. And once you've pasted the URL of the YouTube video, then you need to insert, and it's gonna automatically insert the video into PowerPoint. So here we have the video embedded within PowerPoint directly from YouTube. You can enlarge the video, and let's just make that smaller. Here we go. And once you're ready, you can just play it. Just waiting for it to load. Oh, here we go. So that's it, guys. We've embedded a YouTube video directly into PowerPoint. It's a very simple and fast process. And let me know if you have any questions down in the comments section, and if you have any other related video requests as well. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope it was helpful. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and remember to click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when I post another video. Before you go on, check out the videos on the screen, and I will see you in the next video.